This tutorial will introduce you to your gradebook in Infinite Campus, as well as some of the features that you will need in the beginning of the school year. When a teacher logs into Infinite Campus, the landing page is directly to campus instruction. There are several areas within Infinite Campus that a user could go to. The teacher generally spends most of their time in campus instruction. Along the top, our navigation bar is some links that will take you to different areas within Infinite Campus. The first being access to different calendars. A teacher will automatically default to the active school year, the 16-17 school year, and the drop-down will indicate schools that they might be able to visit should they be teaching at multiple schools. Teachers who have taught with the school district for more than 1 year should see historical years here so that they can go back and look at their gradebooks from years past. Notifications and 9 small boxes. The 9 small boxes will enable a teacher to toggle between campus tools, which is another area within Infinite Campus that will allow you to do things such as search students in general, search people, enter behavior incidents, and do some reporting. To go back to the gradebook, we will toggle again to the 9 small boxes and we'll select campus instruction. If you're a teacher and when you log into Infinite Campus, your landing page takes you directly to campus tools, please contact the help desk and we will set your landing page so that it will go directly to your gradebook regularly. It'll make life easier for you. And then there is a log off area. You should always remember to log out of Infinite Campus when you are done. The first piece on your landing page that you'll be taken to is your message center, and this is only going to happen the first time that you log into Infinite Campus. Otherwise, it will take you to your gradebook, which is where you generally will spend most of your time. For teachers this year, the School District of Waukesha has pushed down gradebook settings. This is something that teachers normally need to set up at the very beginning of the year. We'll discuss that in another video, but here's where a teacher will access and enter the majority of their assignments and track their students' grades. Along the top of the gradebook, you can change your term that you are teaching in. You can change the sections and the courses that you are teaching, and you can identify and assign assignments to different grading standards that are associated with your course. Teachers can take attendance out of their gradebook. A little orange box will appear indicating if attendance needs to be taken. Once you've taken attendance in a class and saved it, the little orange box disappears. You can access your rosters for your sections. In this case, this teacher only has one section, but as you can see, there are a number of things you'll note about the roster. You can click on a student and it will bring up information about the student, their birth date, their enrollment, their grade level, as well as their primary household information. You can also see if there are any flags that have been associated with the student. In this case, Jay Smith is an ELL, an English language learner, has a health condition. If you click on the caduceus, you can see what the health condition is and warnings associated with it, as well as whether or not the student has an IEP. Other things you might find useful, you can create seating charts just by clicking on New. You can create groups. In this case, I've created a Bluebirds group and a robot club, and I can put students in more than one group if necessary, and that is very simple to do just simply by clicking on New and saving it. These groups can be used in the gradebook for distributing assignments only to certain students. Other things that are useful at the beginning of the year would be your roster reports. You can create a blank spreadsheet for your course that could be used, printed and used in your classroom. You can also create labels. I like this one, or I can create a student-teacher label. You might want to use this at the beginning of the year if you're trying to associate certain things with students by your homeroom teacher. So these are just some of the key features that you might be interested in knowing about and how to use with Infinite Campus at the beginning of the school year, and if you are a new student or a new teacher to the district.